Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to do a hard refresh in Pencil Spaces. So while in Pencil Spaces, you can run into problems with connecting to your call or connecting to your server. If these problems don't fix itself on its own, or you've tried refreshing and the problem still hasn't resolved, you can attempt a hard refresh. So to do a hard refresh, you're going to select Command-Shift-R on your keyboard, or hold the Shift key down while you hit the refresh button found at the top left-hand side of your screen. So I'm going to select Command-Shift-R on my computer. And this will refresh my page. So here I can either rejoin the call, or if I'm a host, which I am in this space, I can start the call again. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button found at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.